I've got some very exciting news to share with everybody. So as you will know, hopefully by now, Boostly Websites has been working on some pretty impressive and pretty groundbreaking, one of a kind, nobody else is daft enough to do this technology to make the website side of our business even bigger and better and more stronger, but most importantly, turn more lookers into bookers for you. And we've been working on this now for the last couple of months. We've been working with our developers and our programmers to create websites that link to your PMS of choice via API. Now, if I've just lost you there, just know that it's very fancy tech that will mean that your live rates, your live availability will link straight to your website, and where a guest won't even have to leave your website to complete a booking. And so much more is what we are discovering as well, what we can do. And I wanted to give you a little update, and I wanted to share with everybody as part of today's Boostly podcast. So if you are tuning in on the audio, I do recommend that you come over to the YouTube channel, have a look for yourself, because this is really impressive. We have just gone live with a website. Now, the website that I'm showing you right now on the screen is Stay Bright. So Hendrik is the owner, founder, based in Germany, but has got properties all over the world. His PMS of choice is Guesty. So Guesty, we have actually reached out to Guesty since doing this, and we've got some really exciting conversations happening about how we can potentially partner up, team up together, and offer Boostly websites to more Guesty members. So if you're a Guesty member and you think this looks good, then please do get in touch. Now, last time I walked you through what a Boostly website API can do, I showed a couple of cool things, including the map, the live rates, etc. So all of this information here is being streamed, I'm not sure, but streamed straight from Guesty's PMS software, which is really cool. So all of that is still the same. We've got all the cool things, the things in place that makes a guest want to stick around. So real referrals, property highlights, getting them to book direct, dropping in the book direct, which is awesome. But this is the new thing. And then again, this is only Guesty can do this with us right now. But we are going to hopefully try and get more of the APIs to allow us to do this as well. So I've come in, I'm a guest, I've found a property, I want to stay here. I come onto this section right now. And when you come to here, you'll put in the date. So I'm going to put in, I want to go away for my birthday, 4th of October, hint, hint. I want to stay for my birthday, go for a couple of nights. It'll just be me and Laura. And again, see this. Now, what's really cool is that our goal, my goal, Tom's goal, everybody at Boostly Websites' goal is to make your website as easy to book as an OTA. So what do I mean by that? How do we make it as easy to book as an OTA? Now, one of the things that Airbnb is famous for developing is the 1-2 book. The 1-2 book system is what Amazon got really famous for when it basically made its system so simple to book, the 1-2 book. And one of the things with the OTAs, again, which we're very good at, is that they will get you, as in the guest, to register on their system before you can complete a booking. Now, a lot of the times, something will happen where a guest will register and then they'll leave the website just at the key part of actually putting in the credit card details. And what you'll notice is if you don't complete a booking, you are then inundated with booking.com adverts, you maybe get an email sent through, etc., just sort of getting you back on the site. Now, this is what we've been able to do. So let me just click here. So normally when you click book now, what would happen? It was go off to the PMS website. Here, we keep them on the screen and on the website. So when you click book now, it asks them to register. And as soon as they register, okay, they are on the system. Okay, so even if they don't complete the booking, if they do complete the booking, great. If they don't complete the booking, then what that means is that you've got the ability to do what the OTAs do. So you can do retargeting with Facebook ads if they don't book. You can have a cart abandonment email that goes out, and all of the things now that we are able to test and tweak with our Boostly website clients is going to happen. So this is really exciting. This is, like we say, it's never been done before, and we are leading the light for this. And I'm so looking forward to seeing what we can do, not only with Bright Stays, but with all of our website clients moving forward who have got the API set up. So that's a little update from us. If you want to find out more, if you're a Guesty client and you want to find out more, just go to boostly.co.uk/websites. You can book a call in with us and just say that you've discovered it on the podcast. And we will go from there. Little update from me. I hope you're all doing well. As always, I will be letting you know all the things that we are doing to help hosts like you increase their direct bookings. My goal is to help 1 million hosts increase their direct bookings and cut down on their over-reliance on the OTAs. And one of the main ways of doing that is through website design. And we are looking at what the OTAs are doing so well that they invest millions in the tech to do. And we are going, well, how can we do this? And how can we do it at a budget level so then we can then help as many hosts as possible. So I hope you're excited. If this sounds good, let us know. Please let us know in the comments, send us an email, etc. But I'll be back tomorrow with another podcast of the daily Boostly podcast. Until then, stay proactive, don't be reactive, and let's go get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.